One of the most fundamental features of any recruitment ATS, CRM or software platform is the CV Parse feature. Now, for anybody that doesn't know what a CV Parse tool does, put simply, a CV parser will look at any resume that you add to a database, and before uploading that resume, it's going to scan it. It will look for the most important details, maybe the name, email address, telephone number, experience. It will extract that data automatically and add it into the system for you. So it's going to be a huge time saver when it comes to data entry, because any recruiter that is speaking to lots of candidates every single day will probably find that adding the data to the system manually can be a little bit of a bore. So that's why a CV Parse feature is really, really important. And with our Free Forever platform, we did have a CV Parse feature included in our system. But if I'm totally honest with you, it was a little bit poor. And recently, actually going back to last Friday, we pushed an update to the platform, which now has a new and improved CV Parse feature, which is included in all three of our packages. It's included in our Free Forever version, our Giig Starter pack, and our Giig Plus pack. But you get different credits. So with the Free Forever version, you get 10 CV parses every month. With the Giig Starter, you get 50. And with the Giig Plus, you get unlimited. And the reason that I wanted to make this video is because the CV Parse feature we have is now way more powerful than what it used to be. So the CV Parse feature will now accept documents in PDF or Word format. It will take any document. It also will parse CVs and resumes in over 25 different languages. And instead of just pulling the name, email address, telephone number, the parser will now pull all of those candidate details, and it will pull the skills, the experience, the certificates, and the education. What we're then going to look to do with the CV Parse tool is, now that we collect all that data, in a future update to the platform, we're going to allow you to create branded CVs automatically. So Giig will take that information from the candidate's resume and create a fully branded CV that has your company details and information on it. But that's a future thing. What I'm now going to show you is I'm going to show you a screen share where I just run you through how the CV Parse feature works, so that you can see exactly what data it pulls from any resume that you'll attach.
To use the CV Parse feature, it's fairly straightforward. You start by coming up to the create option at the top and you choose the candidate. Once you've done this, you upload a CV into the box, and then the platform will start to parse that profile. Now, our CV parser can parse PDF documents, it can parse Word documents, it can parse CVs in over 25 different languages, and it can sometimes take around about 30 seconds. There you go. So I hope that was a bit less than 30 seconds. And you can see that it's pulled my details, my name, my email, support at Giig Hire, role title, contact number, and down here it's got all this additional information that it's pulled. So the summary, education, experience, and certificates. Now, if I click create, it will actually then open up the candidate card for me, where, as you can see in the card, the system has entered the summary, the past experience is all down here for you, education, and any certificates as well that have been pulled from the profile. The skills have been added into the skills box, and the CV is accessible in the CV tab as well. So this is the information that I mentioned that we're then going to be able to use to spin up a branded CV so that you can send a headed CV to your clients with or without candidate details. And I'll just show you that if you come to the usage section here in the platform, this is where you get to see how many CV parses you have. So as I mentioned in the video, each package has a different limitation of how many CVs you can parse. So you can come into this section of the menu at any time to see how many credits you have in total and how many credits you have left for the month. And as it says at the top here, the credits refresh at the first of every month.